Installing a processor and heatsink. Note: this procedure applies to both performance heatsinks and standard heatsinks. The replacement procedure must be performed by a trained technician. Hold the blue latch and slide the processor carrier into the rail frame. Push the rail frame down until the blue latch locks into place. Close the retention frame and use a Torx T20 screwdriver to fasten it. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of new thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should consist of about 0.1 milliliters of thermal grease. The torque required for the fasteners to fully tighten is 1.22 to 1.46 Newton meters, or 10.8 to 13 inch-pounds. Align the triangular mark on the heatsink with the triangular mark and threaded posts on the processor socket, and then install the heatsink on the processor socket. Fully fasten all the screws in the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. Install the top cover and air baffle.